It'll be headed by Morrisville State. And into the attack comes Cortland. And the shot and a goal here from Mel Cardillo. Great job there by the Red Dragons to strike first. And to Kakuzo. Kakuzo up to Cardillo. Cardillo now in the right corner will cross. And it'll be headed in for a goal for the Red Dragons. Marriott wasn't able to reach that one. Over there, and they'll come back the other way. It's Tyrell. And then it'll be Behringer. Behringer for Cardillo. Cardillo up the right side. This is something Cortland has liked to do all game. She'll take the cross. Marriott unable to get it. And it'll be a goal from Gianna Carnesi. Here, 1:02 to go in this first half of action. And a great pass there. Here's a chance for Cortland. And she shoots and she scores. And Cortland, just like that, will tack on one more before the half. Crop with the through ball. And a beautiful pass there and a shot and a goal off the foot of Amanda Profera.